Welcome. Let's learn animal alphabet. A is for ant. B is for bee. C is for cat. D is for duck. F is for fox. G is for goat. H is for hippo. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. K is for koala. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for newt. O is for otter. P is for penguin. Q is for quokka. R is for rabbit. S is for squirrel. T is for tiger. U is for unicorn. V is for vikashka. W is for wolf. X is for Xerox. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Thank you for watching. Lots of ABCs A to Z on Fast Learner Kids. Play more videos now on Fast Learner Kids.